Welcome back to the Moral Science class 6 children. Open your today. You open your interleaf copy, and we'll follow the question answer which is written in the book. In your book, page number 6 and 7. I'm sorry, page number 13 and 14. So from 14 we'll start this. Page number 14, this question answer. I have written in the copy so that you can easily grasp it. So the first question of the you open your book page, it is better you open your book page number 13 and the copy also. The first question, how did Bill reach the place where his son lived? What did he see there? The answer is, Bill went to the place from where he got his son Mike's last letter. He reached that place, but he did not find his son. But he was disappointed, means depressed, from a stranger to hear that his son Mike was not living there. This is the question. This is the answer of question number 1. I am holding this already read out. Now, question number 2. Again, I am showing the book. Question number 2. Why did Mike refuse to accompany his father to the village? This question, page number 13, question number 2. Answer is here. Mike told his father that he was very much busy with his work. He could not waste his time in traveling. This is answer 2. From page number 13. You open your book, page number 13, question number 2. Got it? Yes. Now come to question number 3 from page number 13. How did Mike feel after his father had left? How did Mike feel after his father is left? Mike felt bad when he remembered how he had treated his father. He cursed himself for not stopping him from returning to the village the same day, and then he decided to meet his parents. Again, I am reading out how did Mike feel that when he remembered that he has give pain to his father. No, question number 3 of page number 13. I hope you all have opened the book also. I have written for you only. I have written in the copy. Otherwise, if I write in the book, you cannot understand my writing, my handwriting. So you start from here. I am holding this. You start from here. Mike felt bad when he remembered how he had treated his father. He cursed himself for not stopping him from returning to the village the same day, and then he decided, I hope you have all understand, to meet his parents. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is, in what condition did Mike find his parents? In what condition did Mike find his parents? Now I am telling you, these 4 questions are enough. 5, 6 you don't have to write. I made it cross. Cross it please. From 14, page number 14. Please cross it. Now question number 4. In what condition did Mike find his parents? Mike found that his parents were living in a very shabby place. They were surviving in a very pitiful state. I must repeat it. Mike found that his parents were living in a very shabby place. They were surviving in a very pitiful state. Now come to the last question. What did you learn from this story? We should take care of our parents who love us unconditionally. Holding this, please follow. So, children, from next day, I will start the new lesson. Only one part is left. That is this part, think and ponder. You do it at home, page number 15. Page number 15. This part I will give you the activity work, not now, afterwards, after the test. This is only activity work. I will one day I will show you, but this part you have to fill it in your book. So children, we'll start the new lesson, the devoted disciples. Okay. I hope you all have understood the chapter 1. Any clarification, you are most welcome to clarify. Thank you.